Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best split finger repair is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with the common and often painful issue of split fingers, whether caused by dry skin, manual labor, or environmental factors. This innovative solution aims to provide rapid relief and promote healing, allowing you to get back to your daily activities without discomfort. We'll dive deep into what makes a split finger repair product effective, exploring its ingredients, application methods, and the science behind its healing properties, ensuring you make an informed choice for your hand health. Number 5. Dr. FREDERICK'S Trigger Finger Splint. Experience quick relief from pain and stiffness with this splint, designed to immobilize and support injured fingers. Crafted with a durable aluminum core and soft padding, it keeps your finger in a natural, extended position to prevent locking or catching. This design fits comfortably on your index, ring, or pinky finger for versatile support. Its lightweight construction with adjustable straps allows precision fitting for either hand, delivering all-day stability and comfort. Built for reliable protection, this brace features an ergonomic aluminum bar for firm joint stabilization, keeping your tendons straight and preventing aggravation during recovery. It effectively reduces motion and pain caused by trigger finger, overuse, or arthritis. Designed for comfort and long-term wear, this splint can be used day or night to keep the affected finger immobilized. The breathable lining ensures comfort during extended use, making it a great solution for tendinitis, sprains, or post-surgery recovery. This corrector helps you regain pain-free movement without invasive procedures, offering non-surgical recovery support. It's a trusted rehabilitation aid for hand health, helping you restore your mobility. What we like? Experience superior padded comfort for quick relief from pain and stiffness. Its adjustable fit ensures precision for either hand, promoting natural healing. If you're looking for all-day stability and comfort, especially during typing or sleeping, this is the choice for you. What people say. The split finger repair is designed to provide excellent support and stability for injured fingers. Its adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable fit, promoting proper healing. The breathable material used in its construction allows for prolonged wear without discomfort. Number 4. ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops. Are you struggling with thick, damaged, or discolored nails? ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops are here to help restore your nails' natural beauty and health. Our advanced formula is designed for maximum effectiveness, targeting the toughest nail concerns. Experience the power of extra strength for noticeable results. These drops work to repair and renew your toenails and fingernails. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to healthier-looking nails. Whether your nails are thick, damaged, or discolored, this treatment is suitable for you. It provides comprehensive care for all your nail needs. Achieve visibly healthier and renewed nails with consistent use. It's time to regain confidence in your nail appearance. Get the best value with our convenient 2-pack. Ensure you always have this essential nail care solution on hand. What we like? This extra strength formula offers powerful nail renewal for severely compromised nails. It targets thick, damaged, and discolored nails to restore their health. If you are dealing with persistent nail issues and need a potent solution, this is the product to consider. What people say. The split finger repair is a game changer for anyone struggling with finger injuries. It provides excellent support and stability, allowing for faster healing and a quicker return to daily activities. The design of the split finger repair is incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to put on and take off, and the adjustable straps ensure a snug and comfortable fit. The breathable material also prevents irritation, making it ideal for extended wear. Number 3. Sopito Finger Splint Brace. Introducing the Sopito Finger Splint, designed for optimal finger support. It helps to straighten and stabilize your knuckles. If you suffer from arthritis, this brace can provide much-needed relief. It offers immobilization for affected joints. This support brace is perfect for stabilizing injured or sore fingers. It gently guides them to a straighter position. Experience comfortable immobilization with our finger splint. It ensures your knuckle stays in place for healing. Get a set of 7 finger support braces in this package. You'll have one for every finger that needs it. Regain comfort and function in your daily activities. This stabilizer helps manage knuckle pain and stiffness effectively. What we like? This 7-piece set provides versatile support for various finger needs. It's designed for effective knuckle immobilization, aiding in straightening and recovery. If you require multiple splints for different fingers or need to stabilize knuckles during arthritis flare-ups, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. The Split Finger Repair Kit is a game-changer for anyone dealing with finger injuries. It provides excellent support and stability, allowing for faster healing. The design is comfortable and unobtrusive, making it easy to wear throughout the day. Number 2. Barielle Hydrating Ridge Filler. Are you struggling with nails that are dry, brittle, and uneven? It's time to give them the care they deserve. Our hydrating formula is designed to transform your nail health. Say goodbye to noticeable nail ridges. This product works to fill and smooth them out, creating a perfectly even surface. You'll love the refined look it provides. Don't let dryness and brittleness hold back your nail growth. This strengthening base coat nourishes your nails from the foundation up. Experience healthier, more resilient nails. Looking for a base coat that does more? This is it. It provides essential strength while hydrating, ensuring your nails are protected and fortified. Transform your nails with this powerful treatment. It effectively fills ridges and strengthens, promoting a healthier appearance and feel. Get ready for smoother, stronger nails. Dryness can lead to brittle nails and ridges. Our hydrating formula targets these issues directly. It replenishes moisture, supporting overall nail health and resilience. What we like. This hydrating ridge filler is designed to smooth out imperfections on dry, brittle, or ridged nails. It acts as a strengthening base coat, promoting healthier nail growth. If you desire a smoother nail surface and are looking for a product that also strengthens your nails, this is a great option. What people say. The Split Finger Repair is designed to provide excellent support and stability for injured fingers, promoting faster healing. Its adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable fit, allowing for customized compression and immobilization. The breathable material used in the design prevents skin irritation and enhances comfort during prolonged wear. Number 1. Pnrskter Gel Finger Cots. Experience ultimate comfort with our premium gel finger cots. Made from high-quality, durable, and reusable gel, they provide a secure, second skin fit that's gentle and allergy-free. Get immediate relief and protection for your fingers and toes. They shield against irritation, pressure, and rubbing, offering support for various conditions like trigger finger and arthritis. These sleeves are designed for convenience. You can easily trim them to your desired size with scissors, making them perfect for both men and women during any activity. Upgrade your care with these superior sleeves. Enriched with vitamin E, they soothe and moisturize, while also providing gentle warmth, joint support, and mild compression. This pack includes 10 long and 4 short gel finger cots, ensuring you have the right size for every finger or toe. Plus, enjoy our 18-month worry-free service. What we like. Made from soft, comfortable gel, these finger cots provide instant relief and protection. They are enriched with vitamin E to soothe and moisturize the skin. If you suffer from finger cracking, hand eczema, or need gentle joint support and mild compression, these are an excellent choice for everyday wear. What people say. The Split Finger Repair works well. The product is designed for split finger repair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.